Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be fishing a Lake Erie tributary. I've been walking upstream for a while now. There's been a few spots that have definitely looked promising and probably held fish, but I'm trying to get to this one spot that's even farther than the point I'm at. I've been walking for, I think, close to 3 miles up to this point upstream, and it's about another mile to the hole I'm trying to get to. But on my way up, I decided I would stop right here. We've got a pretty good, an amazing looking spot actually right behind me. Got some falls dumping in, so there should definitely be some fish holding in this hole. We'll see if we can get into them. I have my fly rod and also a spinning rod that I'm gonna be trying to float fish with. I'm not the best at float fishing. I'm still trying to figure it out, so we'll try that first and see if we can get some. If not, we'll find a way in some shape or form. So I'll get all rigged up and we'll get onto the GoPro and hopefully we can get on some fish. All right, here's the setup. I'm using a St.Croix Triumph salmon steelhead rod. I use this rod for casting for salmon on the pier, and I don't know, it's an 1.5 foot rod. It's probably not the best action for float fishing, but it's going to do better than my other rods, so I figured I would give it a try. And I can also cast jerk baits and other stuff if I want. I've got a float on here for 1/8 ounce addicted fishing float, slip float. That goes down to a swivel right there. And then I've just got a foot, probably need more, but a foot of 8-pound leader down to a 16th ounce jig with a Strike King lightning shed. I've got the package right here, or a Mr. Crappie lightning shad in the salt and pepper colorway. It's a 2-inch little plastic, so we'll see if we can get into some fish. I've never really caught anything float fishing, but I've also put the least amount of my time into float fishing, which probably doesn't make very much sense, since I'm pretty sure it's the most effective way. All right, guys, we're hooked up. We're a good bit upstream. I was kind of getting worried that there wasn't too many fish in the creek, but there's a few in here. I got this one sitting under a log. I'll show you guys in a second. Sitting under a little log at the top of a hole. Got him on a peach egg sac. Just a little guy, but got the skunk away. As long as we get him in. A little buck. Oh, it's not that. It's actually a pretty solid fish. There he is. Smacked the little pink egg sac with some trout eggs. There we go, a little steelhead. Getting released. There he goes, back into the hole. See if we can get another. Alright, this is the hole. There's this rock right here and a log. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sure you can, but there's that rock and there's a log that comes off of it. He's sitting right at the end of that log. See if there's another sitting right in there with him. I'd only gotten one drift, so there could be another one. Fish on. I think my line was a little too low and my bobber just stopped, but I'm pretty sure my egg was dragging, and I just kind of pulled hoping there might be something there, and there was a fish. Second hookup of the day. We're just upstream at this is basically the same hole as that last one, just the top part of the hole. Looks to be another buck. A little bit bigger than the last one. Around the same size. Trying to get him pulled up on this shale. Shale right there. Alright, there we go. There he is. Chomped the egg sac. A little bit bigger than the last one. Not anything crazy though. Another buck. Alright. Just got a quick picture on my phone. Sitting right here. There he goes. 2 of 2 on the day. Fish on. Sitting right under the ledge in there. Pretty sure that was my first cast right there. You guys are all pretty beat up. That's the biggest one of the day. Chomped it. Beautiful fish. Alright. He's back in. Flopped away right after I got the hook out. Crushed the sac, so I've got another one on. That's what I've been throwing. Peach egg sac. Alright, we're just about at the spot I was trying to get to this whole time, but I don't know about it. It's right up through there, and I can get up. Someone has a rope right here. I can climb out and go up there, but I want to fish all these holes downstream, and I don't know how easy it would be to get back down. So I'm gonna just head back down and fish all those holes I skipped. Should be able to get into a bunch of fish, so we'll get right down there and get into the fish. I was just walking down. I'm just about 1 or 2 bends down from that big old skinny part up there. That skinny part I kind of got. I didn't really want to risk it going up, so I'm just down below that. I was walking back. I was about to fish this hole, and I saw a steelhead. I might have spooked him. We were side to side, so hopefully not. As far as I know, I didn't see him swim away like he was spooked, but we'll see. He was right here on this edge right here. See if we can get him. Oh, we got something little. Oh, I think it's just a little rainbow. Come on. Let's see here. Oh, that is a wild fish. That thing has beautiful colors. Let's see. Calms down. Look at those colors. It's a wild fish. I was thinking, looking at that one hole, those two holes above me, I was thinking there definitely could be some wild trout in this stream. And just because of how deep and clear and clean this water is, those holes are probably fine in the summer. The hook just popped out. Beautiful, beautiful little wild rainbow trout. There he goes. I mean, that could be a baby steelhead. I don't really know how to tell though, so who knows. Must be just cold enough for snow because it doesn't feel terribly cold. Fish on. Oh, my drag was too tight, guys. Too tight. Dang it. I had him hooked good. I just had it too tight. Pop. He pulled right out. Alright. That was a little bit farther up in the hole than I was kind of trying to work. So I'll keep casting. It just kind of, my float kind of just started swirling in a circle right over there. So I sat and there was a fish on it. Alright guys, we're hooked up. Looks like it's a pretty silvery fish compared to all the other ones I've gotten. Oh yeah, that's a chromer. First female. That's the biggest fish of the day too. There it is. There she goes.